This comment changed the way I create, and it was written by a 7-year-old. They said they had the same highlighters as me, except the black one. That was the first comment I ever received. I didn't know if it was a boy or a girl, but I knew one thing: someone was watching. Somewhere in a small classroom, a child saw it and thought, I have those markers too. When I read that, I smiled and I felt responsible. If a 7-year-old is watching, then what I create matters. These are the highlighters I used in that video. Soft pastel colors, simple, but I really love them. And this is the sketchbook where I wrote that word, YouTube. Just one word, written in a creative way. Now the page is little old. There are a few extra lines here and there, a few small mistakes I didn't show in the video. But looking at the sketchbook now, it makes me feel nostalgic. It was something very basic, just a word written creatively. But that was the video where I received my first comment. And that feeling was unforgettable. I felt proud. My art wasn't just existing on a screen, it had reached a pencil box, a school desk, a second grade classroom. And here is the video. When I look at it now, oh my god, I feel like I have traveled back in time. It's such a simple video, very basic. Oh god, even the video quality isn't the great. And the editing, well, it wasn't perfect either. But the effort behind it, that was real. I remember how excited I was while making it. And looking at it today, I just feel amazed. It makes me smile. And honestly, it still feels a little magical. That comment didn't just make me happy, it made me continue. It made me show up again and again and again. The first comment didn't grow my channel, it grew me.